In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a YouTube thumbnail using Canva with your smartphone on desktop fashion like this. For this tutorial purpose, I'm going to make use of my phone using the desktop version. Therefore, all I will need to do, I will click on the Chrome browser. Then I will go to the search bar. I will need to type Canva. Okay, then I click on it. This is it. Click on the three dots we're having at the upper side of the phone. Then you click on it. You can see it is on desktop site. I've already chosen the desktop site. That is the reason we're having it this way. However, for effective clarity, I will want to slant my phone horizontally. This is the home page of the Canva. Then I will need to click on the search bar and type in YouTube thumbnail. I will need to search for it. This is it. Then I will need to click on see all. These are different templates on YouTube thumbnail. As a beginner, you can choose any of the free templates and make use of it in such a way that you edit it and make it look like your own. Therefore, but for this tutorial purpose, I'm going to make use of the blank page. Therefore, I will need to click on where we're having plus sign here. I click on the blank page. Therefore, I'm going to choose the background for the design. For you to get your background, you can go to the element by clicking on the left hand side editor panel we're having here. You click on element. Then on the search bar, you type in the background, the type of the background you want. Then you insert it on the page. But for this tutorial purpose, I have some backgrounds I'm having that I've uploaded on the Canva. I will need to click on upload. I will need to click on this background. This is the one I want to make use of. Then let me zoom it. Then I will need to drag it in such a way that it will fit in the page of the design. Still on the upload, I will click on the picture I want to make use of. Then I click on it. This is it. The next thing, I will need to increase it. I will make it bigger. Then I'll fix it here. Okay, this is it. Then on the picture, I will want to make some edits to it. Then I will need to click on the picture. Then I click on edit image you're having at the upper side there. Then I will need to scroll to where we're having shadow. This, then I click on shadow. I will need to click on glow. Then I move to the bottom. Then the size, I will fix it for 20. Then the blur, I will reduce it to 0. For the color, I will click on the black color. Then I will fix it for white. Then intensity, I will need to fix it for 100. Then the next thing, I will need to go back by clicking on the arrow we're having in front of shadows. Then I will need to click on the adjust heading we're having there. I click on it. Then I will scroll up. Then the brightness, I will fix it for 58. Then the shadow, I will increase it a little bit as well. Then I will come to the saturation. Let me fix it for 41. The clarity, I've increased it to 53. The sharpness, I will also increase this as well. This is it. I've done the edit to the picture. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I will need to go to the element. I click on it. Then I will need to come to the search element and type in Canva. But I've used it previously. I will need to click on it. We're having it on recently used. I will need to reduce the size. Then I will fix it somewhere here. Then this picture, I will move it to the front a little bit. Okay, I'm okay with it this way. The next thing I'm going to do, I will come to the editor panel on the left hand side. Immediately after element, I click on T, text. I want to insert text there. Then I will need to click on add the heading, the first one. Then I will need to type in thumbnail. I have thumbnail here. The next thing, I will come to the color palette at the upper side where we're having capital A. Then I click on it. We're having the color palette under it. I will click on white. At the upper side here where we're having Canva signs, that is where we're having the font types. Then I will click on it. I want to make use of Anton. Then I will need to search for it. I've used it recently, you can see. Then I click on Anton. Then I will need to increase it by dragging it. I will need to fix it somewhere here. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I will click on thumbnail. Then I will duplicate. Change it to tutorial. Then I will need to increase the tutorial. I will fix it somewhere here. It's okay this way. Then I will fix it a little bit down here. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I will need to click on thumbnail. Then I will click on the three dotted line we're having at the upper side here. Then I click on it. I will need to click on effect. Then I click on outline. I will come to the bottom. Then the thickness, I will increase it a little bit to 127. Then the color, I click on it. Then I will change it to black. Okay. Let me fix the outline for 129. I will need to do this. Then the second thing, I will need to click on tutorial. Then I will pick shadow. Still on effect. Then the offset, let me leave it for 50. The direction, I will fix it this way. Then I will come to the transparency. I will increase it to 100. Then the color, I click on it. Then I will look for black. I click on black. This is okay. Then the next thing I'm going to do, come to the element. Then on the search bar, type in YouTube. Then you are going to have different types of YouTube logo. I have a particular one I've downloaded already on my browser. I have them on the uploads. Then I click on upload. This is it. Then I click on it to have it here. This is it. I will need to go to the element and click on element. Then I want a shape. Then I click on square shape. Then the color, I will click on the upper side here to change it to white. And we need to make it smaller. Then I will fix it somewhere here. I will now need to click on the three dotted line we're having there. I click on position. Then I will need to click on backward. This is it. Then this, I will need to increase it a little bit this way. Then I will come to the thumbnail. I will need to reduce the size by clicking on the font size button. You can see. Then I will do it this way. Tutorial. The thumbnail tutorial. and we need to fix this here. Then bring this here also. Okay, this is how to make a simple design on YouTube thumbnail. Then when you are done, you click on this icon, this download icon, share, click on it. Then you scroll up where we're having download, click on download. Then we're having it for PNG, leave it for PNG. Then you click on download. You are going to have our work or design downloaded. Therefore, if you have found this video very useful, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, share the video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.